Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have an update for you all about the Dollar General clearance event. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I am back home. It has already been a very long day for me. Now, first up, if you guys could, please hit the thumbs up button. It's not much to ask. I really do try to work hard for you guys and bring you all the deals and all the latest information and visuals and screenshots and all that stuff. So I put in a lot of time. If you could, just take a second, hit that thumbs up button. My channel has been growing so much. We have so many new crazy couponers, and we are almost to 50,000 subscribers. So if you guys could help me out, hit that thumbs up button. It'll only take a second, all right? Now, let's go ahead and talk about what in the world is going on at Dollar General today. First of all, the notebook glitch, still a go, still working perfectly. Crayola crayons, still a go, still working perfectly. Now, you may have to do some digging at this point. Make sure that you check those sky shelves. If you see some boxes, go and grab a ladder or an employee. Ask them if they have any in the back. I know at one store they were pretty much wiped out, and I only found like, I think it said 6 last night. But at the store that I went to this morning, I believe I ended up with 38. So, it's really going to be hit or miss, but that deal is still a go if you can find those crayons. And remember, the notebooks, you pay $3 for 10, and if you want to throw in any overages, we still have Kool-Aid, toothpaste, we've got the free American greeting cards, we've got all kinds of goodies that you can throw in there with it. So make sure that you check out that glitch list that I put together earlier this week. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about as far as the notebooks or the crayons go, I have uploaded 2 videos, and they will both be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you forgot to hit the thumbs up button on those videos, please go back and do that. Now, let's go ahead and talk about what in the world is going on at Dollar General today. So, today is the first day of the Dollar General clearance event. This is a seasonal clearance event. So, all of those POG items and the clearance section, none of that is going to be included as far as I can tell as of right now. I did try to purchase some items. I bought several items that I did not need anyways, just to test it out at the registers. So let me just show you guys what I picked up and how everything worked out. So at the first store that I went to, it was an all self-checkout store. So again, I picked up the crayons, and the notebooks at self-checkout worked perfectly. Now, as I was leaving, I remembered that they had some summer barbecue items on an end cap. So I ran back in and I scanned the Powerade popsicles. Now, if you scan these with your Dollar General app, they are still going to show up at 90% off. That's why this morning, when I was typing in UPC codes, everything is still showing up at full price. However, once you get up to the register and they scan them and hit total or pay now if you're going through self-checkout or a regular register, it will then drop it down to 95% off. Okay, so I picked up a ton of these, and I used my gift card from all the DG cashback offers that I've been getting back as well. So I didn't even pay anything out of pocket on this transaction, but let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So there you can see it does ring up at 25 cents, which is 90% off. And then it takes off the additional 50% off once you hit pay now. So these Powerade popsicles ended up being about 12 cents each, which is 95% off. So summer barbecue is a go, working perfectly at the register. Now at this store, they were doing some weird stuff. They had Green Dot already marked down at 70% off. They had all of their lawn and garden items 70% off, and their swim and summer. So I did pick up 2 of the pool float. Now I thought, well, I'm just going to go through the regular, you know, little self-checkout register where there is a cashier and see what happens. However, I really wasn't thinking straight, and she manually marked them down at 70% off. So I'm not sure if these rang up correctly or not, but going off of what happened after this, I think that these will automatically ring up the 50% off. And then I picked up a couple of planters, and yeah, she just manually adjusted them down at 70% off, and I really wasn't even thinking twice about it. So after I left there, I went to another store and went through the regular register. It is an old register store, and let me show you what I picked up there. So at the second store, again, this was an old register store. I was like, I'm just going to run in, grab a few items that we need to check and see if they are ringing up the additional 50% off at the register. So I grabbed this green dot storage bin, okay, normally $5. The green dot did ring up the additional 50% off, okay. Purple dot, I know that everybody was wondering about purple dot. These are still ringing up at 70% off. So these are not going to be included in the clearance event unless something else changes, which with Dollar General, they throw us curveballs all the time, okay? Now, I also picked up this little lawn and garden fairy because it was just $1. These are ringing up the additional 50% off. And then I also picked up one of these like lattice things. Again, a lawn and garden item. So yes, this is ringing up the additional 50% off, okay? So here is a look at that receipt. And again, it kind of rings up the regular price, but then it drops it down, okay? So overall, we are good to go for this Dollar General clearance event. Just keep in mind that when you scan an item with your DG app, if that is a regular priced item that is supposed to be 50% off, such as the lawn and garden, swim and summer toys, green dot items, those are still going to show up in the app at regular price. If you scan a summer barbecue item, that last clearance markdown was at 90% off. So that's what it's going to show you in the app. However, once you get up to the register, I believe all of those things should correct themselves and you should get the additional 50% off. Now, if you missed my video that I posted really early this morning, make sure that you go back and check that out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. I did include some new information that we have on the different categories that are going to be included in this clearance event. And as always, if you go out shopping the Dollar General clearance event today, please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned because I have that 5 off $25 prep video coming up here shortly. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Good luck out there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.